Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, iAppReviewer. Today I'm going to be reviewing a really cool and useful app that you can get for free on the App Store called Alarm Clock HD. I'm going to open it up now. As you can see, this app is really just a simple alarm clock app. There aren't many features, but as you can see, you can obviously see the time, the date, the day of the week, and really cool, you can see the battery life of your iPad or whatever device it is, and also a short weather forecast, as you can see right above the time. Not only these features, but this app, you can also change the brightness really easily by just sliding from one side of the screen to the other to make it brighter or dimmer. And another cool feature of this app is you can use it as a flashlight by just tapping there, and then it's just a blank white screen. Get out of that. And those are all of the features of it, but you can also change the settings by tapping here. And you can add alarms, log into Facebook and Twitter, and lots of other stuff. So, thanks for watching this short review on Alarm Clock HD. Be sure to check out my other reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye!